Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving deep into the IUP token and the IUP project. This cryptocurrency is starting to make waves, and we're going to explore why it's gaining so much attention right now. In this video, we'll be covering an overview of the IUP token itself, a look at the IUP project behind it, where you can buy it, specifically on MEXC Global, and how to explore the XBLA blockchain and chain using a block explorer. Explore the IUP token. IUP is the native token of the IUP ecosystem. Its purpose and utility are integral to the platform, powering various functions and incentives within the IUP environment. The IUP token operates on the XBLA blockchain, leveraging its robust technology and infrastructure. Delve into the IUP project, providing a detailed explanation of what it's all about. We'll explore the project's core goals and overall vision, giving you a clear understanding of its aspirations. We'll also highlight the key features and functionalities that make IUP unique and what it offers to its users and the broader ecosystem. The IUP token operates on the XBLA blockchain, a network that offers several key advantages. XBLA provides a foundation built on scalability, ensuring the network can handle a growing number of transactions efficiently. Security is also paramount, with XBLA employing robust mechanisms to protect against attacks and vulnerabilities. Finally, the decentralization aspects of XBLA contribute to a more transparent and trustless system, distributing control across multiple participants. Purchase IUP tokens on MEXC Global. You'll first need to create an account on their platform. After creating your account, it's essential to complete the KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification process, which typically involves submitting identification documents. Once your account is verified, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. USDT is a common option, but check for other supported cryptocurrencies. With funds in your account, familiarize yourself with the MEXC Global Trading Interface to easily navigate the platform. Finally, you'll be ready to place a buy order for IUP tokens. It's also critical to consider the potential risks involved in cryptocurrency trading and do your own research. Take a look at using the XBLA Block Explorer. We'll start with an introduction to what the XBLA Block Explorer is and how it works. Then we'll dive into the specifics of how you can use it to track IUP transactions, allowing you to follow the flow of the IUP token. We'll also cover how to verify token balances, so you can confirm the amounts held in different wallets. Finally, we'll explore how to analyze overall blockchain data to understand network activity. Using a block explorer offers numerous benefits, primarily increasing transparency by providing a clear and auditable record of all activity on the XBLA blockchain. Delve into the blockchain chain mechanics that underpin IUP. We'll start with a brief explanation of how blockchain technology operates, specifically within the IUP context. This includes exploring core concepts such as blocks, which store transaction data, and how transactions are bundled together and added to the chain. We'll also touch upon consensus mechanisms, the methods used to validate these transactions and ensure agreement across the network. Finally, we'll highlight the vital aspects of immutability, meaning once a block is added it can't be altered, and the robust security features inherent in blockchain, which safeguard the entire IUP system. Delve into the benefits of holding the IUP token. One key advantage lies in the potential use cases that the token might unlock within its ecosystem. Furthermore, there could be opportunities for staking your IUP tokens or participating in other reward mechanisms, allowing you to earn additional tokens over time. Finally, consider the long-term growth potential of the IUP token, as its value may increase as the platform develops and adoption grows. In considering investments in cryptocurrencies, particularly IUP, it's essential to be aware of the inherent risks. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, and market conditions can change rapidly, impacting the value of your investment. Therefore, thorough due diligence and comprehensive research are paramount before making any investment decisions in this dynamic landscape. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please. Let's quickly recap the important details we covered about IUP, IUPiter, and the XPLA blockchain. Remember to do your own thorough research before making any investment decisions, and always invest responsibly. If you're interested in learning more, consider visiting MEXC Global for additional information and resources.